Have you ever watched an animation, movies, or a digital video that made you learn something important? It taught you about emotion, education, or social awareness. Today, screenplays are no longer only about a dialogue. Modern screenplays combine visuals, sounds, gesture, interaction to deliver the meaning to audience. And this is known as multimodal discourse.
This topic is connected to SDG number 4, the quality education, because digital media such as animation, movie, and digital video can help audience learn value communication in engaging way. So, hello everyone, my name is Fatir Abdi Ramadan. My last 3-digit number is 138. We will discuss educational message in digital screenplay through multimodal discourse with my partner.
And my name is Vikaranga Pratama with last 3-digit number is 156. Screenplay is used in a film, animations, television programs, and media production. However, screenplay are not only provide the dialogue. Screenplay also quite a visual and scene, sound effect, emotion, character movement, and then interaction between the character. Because of this, screenplays are considered to multimodal discourse.
To truly understand a screenplay as a multimodal discourse, we need to look at how it utilizes the 5 core modes of communication. Let's break them down one by one. First is the linguistic mode. This is the most obvious one. It focuses on the actual words, the choice made in the dialogue, and the specific verbs used in the action lines. Second is the visual mode. Even though a script is printed on paper, it dictates visual elements. It gives cues about customs, facial expressions, or the dark setting implied in the scene description. Third is the audio mode. Screenplays are packed with sound cues, parentheticals like whispering, formatting like off-screen, or sound effects written in all caps tell us exactly what we need to hear. Fourth is the spatial mode. The physical layout of a screenplay matters. The empty space, the margins, and how the text is arranged on page actually control the rhythm, timing, and pacing of the story. Finally, we have the gestural mode. These are the physical instructions written by the screenwriter. They require the actor's body language, eye contact, and movement to convey unsaid emotions.
In other hand, audience doesn't not only understand through dialogue, it's also understand message through visual expression, visual scene, facial expression, music effect, sound effect, and cinematic movement. Now let's do a quick interactive exercise to see how this works in practice. Look at this simple line from a screenplay. He walks to the window hesitating. As a piece of text, it's just a 5-word, but if you are the director and the cinematographer or the sound designer, how will you translate that single word, hesitating, into a visual and audio modes? I want you to pause the video right here for a moment and think about it. How will you show hesitation without using any word? Time's up. In a multimodal discourse, you don't just say he is hesitant. Visually, you could use a slow motion camera movement and dim the lighting or have the actor text microscript. Audially, You might add a sudden silence or heavy sign or a low tense music note. This is exactly how a screenplay functions as a multimodal blueprint. It triggers a symphony of different modes to create meaning.
The main theory is the main theory in this project, it comes from Plumtree and Forseville. So according to Plumtree and Forseville, meaning in audiovisual is created through color, visual, gesture, and the other. So this means that audience can understand the message not only by the word, but it can through the color, expression, audio, and cinematic visual.
For example, emotional scene becomes meaningful in animation and movie because the dialogue working together with the music, scene, visual movement, and expression. So meaning a dialogue alone cannot create this masterpiece, but by multiple modes working together at the same time.
So beside the main theory from Plumtree and Forseville, this project is also supported by two additional studies. So the first supporting studies is from Aremu. Aremu explained that social semiotics can represent trauma, betrayal, displacement, and social meaning through media communication.
This study helps explain how audience can emotionally understand message through multimodal element in digital media. The second supporting study comes from Wang and Xu. The study discussed screenplay structure and how modern screenplay can be analyzed systematically through computer and structural approach.
This support the idea that the digital screenplays are not simple written text anymore. They are complex multimodal systems that combine structure like visual, sound, and the interaction.
For example, educational animation on YouTube combine narration, visual illustration, sound effect, background music, and character expression at the same time. This element helps audience understand educational information more clearly and emotionally.
So this is why multimodal discourse is important in digital media. Educational message become more engaging because audience can learn through both visual and auditory experience.
This topic is connected to SDG number 4, quality education, digital media, and modern students can improve digital literacy, emotional understanding, and communication skills. Also, it improves our social awareness.
Through modal communication, educational content can become more interactive, engaging, and easier to understand for modern audience. That is way digital media can support modern educational today.
In conclusion, modern digital screenplay are multimodal texts that combine dialogue, visual, sound, gesture, and interaction to create its meaning.
And through these multimodal elements, digital media can deliver educational messages that support learning, communication, and social awareness in society. That's all from us. Thank you for You're watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.